This ugly terracotta door has got to go. So all I need is my paint now that I've cleaned and some painter's tape if you choose to use it, and 2 different types of brushes. I'm going to use a small artist brush and my Dixie Belle flat medium brush, which is my favorite. A lot of people will tape around the glass here, and you may also want to tape off your door handle or hardware, or you can take it off, but I don't do that. I just paint around it. I'm in a hurry. I've got company coming over. I'm too busy. I'm not jacking with it. Grayish blue vintage duck egg. I got some paint here on my lid, my little brush, and here I go. The beauty of Dixie Belle chalk paint, honestly, is that it leaves very, very little brush strokes. So even though I'm going in different directions right here, as long as I do it in light layers, it just levels itself out and you don't see brush strokes going in a bunch of different directions. I really do recommend that you paint whatever colors you're considering on your door and leave it for a day or 2 and watch the light, the sun rise and set, and the shadows fall across the paint, because it does tend to change the look of the color. I'm really happy with this decision though. It's a little bit of paint and a paintbrush and a little bit of time and maybe some guts. You can do it too. I'm not gonna use one single roll of tape, not one plastic sheet, not even a drop cloth. Just some Dixie Belle paint, my brushes, and a little bit of time. My door is fully painted, and the next step is to use one of these little guys. This is a Dixie Belle finishing pad. It is something that you want to use and have on hand. You can use these over and over, and then you need like a brush or a soft brush or a microfiber rag. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold it completely flat. I don't wanna scrub, I just wanna do a light brush over this. There is a soft spongy side, and then there's a sort of a really fine grit sanding side. So I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna run it over it. And what that does is it makes it buttery smooth versus the side over here that I haven't ran it across. You can feel sort of a roughness. So it's a really nice, smooth finish.